Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the Dell XPS 9310 and what's inside of it. To get inside of this notebook, you need to undo 8 Torx head screws. Then, carefully pry the bottom panel, starting from the front 2 edges. Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you. This device is powered by a 52 watt-hours battery pack. It has a very large footprint, but a super thin profile. Unfortunately, the memory is soldered to the motherboard, but on the bright side, you can configure the laptop with up to 32 GB of LPDDR4X RAM in dual-channel mode. Storage-wise, there is a single M.2 PCIe X4 slot. As you can see, the cooling solution comprises a single bulky heat pipe, 2 small heat spreaders, and a couple of tiny fans. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.